Hello today guys, so today we're going to be talking about DFLI, Dragonfly Energy Holdings. So they recently did a public offerings, they've done quite a few recently, and some debt restructuring significantly, and they've improved their financial position. I'll be covering more on this later. They recently announced earnings 2 days ago, I think it was, and they were very good earnings. The company also has 61 months worth of cash, so in the short term, we shouldn't really be looking at any more dilution, in my opinion. Um, and they also recently gained Nasdaq compliance on the October the 21st. So today we will be talking about DFLI. So I've been watching this one for a while now, and the company recently announced earnings which showed some strong growth. The revenue crushed the estimates they had at 60 million, up 25% year on year from 12.7 million, which is what you want to be seeing, especially from a penny stock. You want to be seeing some good revenue. They also did recently have a buy rating PT increase from $1 to 2.25, which shows it is gaining more attention and eyes on the stock, which can give it that momentum to push. Um, as I mentioned earlier, they did also recently announce some public offerings in the past few weeks, and obviously they've done some debt restructuring, which has significantly improved their financial position, which guides them to fourth quarter net sales of approximately 13 million, which was the company guidance. The stock is currently in a very hot sector, the industrial sector. A few weeks ago, these lithium battery plays, they had some huge moves. I think it was ELBM, DFLI, they all benefited from the huge moves that sector saw the other day. So I definitely see some great potential in this stock if they can keep improving that revenue, and they need to lower that cash burn, otherwise further dilution will occur. So now we move on to the charts. So the stock is currently in a downtrend, as you can see here. You can see the stock uh, hit 218, and then it's just been in a downtrend since. So obviously, any news, any catalyst can break this out of this downtrend, which you want to see, because right now it's currently just sitting in that downtrend. Um, Obviously, if it gets social media attention as well, this one can easily break out, in my opinion. As we've seen in the past with this stock, it's currently below all its moving averages, which is bearish. So I'd like to see it break that downtrend and reclaim that 9-day moving average. If I can see this reclaim that 9-day moving average, I can see it going for that downtrend break. So I will be watching for an entry. If it breaks that downtrend, I will be looking for an entry, as I do like this stock. Um, this currently got some strong resistance at that 0.88 level. I've been watching this stock for the past few weeks, and I've seen it fail to break that area multiple times. So it needs to break that once it gets out of this downtrend break and claim that as support. And then after that, I'd be looking at the 110 range. There's the next big resistance. So that's the chart. So the company, obviously, as I mentioned earlier, they've done quite a few public offerings recently to improve their finances, and obviously the debt restructuring they've done, which has given the company a strong cash position. So they've got 62 months of cash and estimated cash of 77 million according to Dilution Tracker, with a cash burn of 3.7 million. So they have a lot of cash right now. So I wouldn't be looking at any more dilution currently short term. Obviously, for me, this would be a swing trade. The company does have a larger float of 125 million, but it's not too crazy. So now we will look at the short interest. So the company currently has 11.82% short interest according to Fintel, which is on the higher end, double digits. So this is one you want to be watching out for, because if it can break that downtrend, I could see a little bit of a squeeze going on with shorts if they get caught out. So this is definitely one to watch, and I am bullish on this stock. This is definitely a swing trade type play if you do play it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.